Stop fumbling for your phone every time it rings. In this video, I'll show you how to enable head gestures on your Apple Airpods so you can answer calls with a simple nod. It's a game changer. Hey everyone, I'm Anna, and welcome back to For Real. If you've ever been cooking, carrying groceries, or working out and heard that familiar ringtone, you know the panic of trying to answer your phone hands-free. It can be super frustrating, especially when you miss an important call just because you couldn't get to your phone in time. This feature works by using the advanced motion sensors already built into your AirPods. What's cool is that it makes hands-free control even more natural, especially if you're busy cooking, working out, or can't reach your phone. Well, that problem is exactly what Apple's Head Gestures feature is designed to solve. It uses the motion sensors in your AirPods to detect a nod for yes or a head shake for no, allowing you to interact with calls and notifications without touching a thing. Now, before we dive in, it's important to know this feature isn't on all models. You'll need AirPods Pro 2, AirPods 4, or any newer models to use it. If you have one of those, you're all set. This is one of the best hidden AirPods Pro 2 features that most people don't even know exists. Okay, let's get this set up. The first step is super simple. Make sure your AirPods are in your ears and connected to your iPhone or iPad. Once they are, go ahead and unlock your device and open the main Settings app, the one with the gear icon. Now, here's a pro tip. As long as your AirPods are connected, you should see a special menu with their name right near the top of the Settings page, just below your Apple ID. This is our shortcut. For step 2, all you need to do is tap on that menu with your AirPods name. For me, it says Anna's AirPods Pro. Tapping this takes you directly into all the specific settings and options for your earbuds, where we can customize AirPods controls. Quick pause. If you're finding this tip helpful so far, do me a huge favor and tap the like button below. It takes just a second, but it really helps the channel and lets me know you want more Apple tips like this. Thanks. Okay, back to it. All right, now that we're in the AirPod settings, we need to find the magic button. Scroll down past noise control and spatial audio. Keep going until you see an option called Head Gestures. You can see it's currently set to off. Go ahead and tap on Head Gestures. This will take you to a new screen. Now for the final, most satisfying part. Tap the toggle switch right next to Head Gestures to turn it on. The switch will flip over and turn green, confirming the feature is now active. And that's it, it's enabled. But wait, there's more. Right below the toggle, you can see the default settings. Nodding your head up and down is for accept or reply, and shaking your head side to side is for decline or dismiss. This is perfect for hands-free calling with AirPods. My favorite part is the Try Head Gestures button at the bottom. Tapping this will give you a little practice run so you can see how it feels. It's a great way to get used to the sensitivity. This works amazingly well with Siri's Announce Notifications feature, making it one of the best iOS accessibility settings for everyone. And there you have it. In just a few simple taps, you've unlocked a powerful hands-free feature on your AirPods. No more fumbling for your phone or missing calls while you're busy. You can now effortlessly manage your calls and notifications with a simple, intuitive gesture. If you found this tutorial useful and want more hidden tips for your Apple devices, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video from For Real. And let me know in the comments, what's your favorite hidden AirPods feature? I'd love to hear about it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.